Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Hustlers. In this video, we'll see how we can claim the credits after you have registered for the Arcade Facilitator program. So when you filled out the Google form, after filling it out, you will receive an email after 24 hours saying congratulations, you have enrolled in this program. You might have received an email like this. You have to check this email or you have to check the spam folder as it can also be in your spam folder. If you haven't received this email, you have to wait for some time or you should reach out to your facilitator under whom you are enrolled. So after you have received this email, it has detailed instructions and steps how you can claim the credits. So these are the steps mentioned in your email. First, you have to open this link in incognito, then claim this code. After you claim this code, you will receive 9 credits first of all. Then you have to perform a lab, which will be about 5 to 10 minutes. And after you complete the lab, you will receive 750 credits in your account. First of all, I open this link in incognito mode. If you right click on this and it will open in incognito window. They'll ask for a code, so copy this code without any space. I have copied the code and pasted it here. Click on I am not robot, verify the captcha and click on submit. Now there is a lab, a tour of Google Cloud hands-on. Click on this. Here you need to click on sign in. Click on sign in. Come to this tab. Here you can click sign in. Two options will appear. You can directly sign in with Google or you can sign in with email ID and password if you have. I'm signing with email ID and password. You can also directly sign in with Google. It's okay. Let's start this lab. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for 5 minutes. Okay. It has started for 45 minutes. So wait for 10 minutes from this time. Then when you go to this page, you will see the 9 credits are showing. Click on subscription here and you can see that I have received 9 credits. Okay. Once 10 minutes are over, after that the remaining 750 credits will be added. So just wait for 10 minutes. Now it's more than 10 minutes. So now click on end lab, cancel it, go to your profile, click on settings, go to subscription. Right now there are only 9 credits showing. So what will I do? I'll refresh once, and I think only 9 credits are showing. Click on this profile, sign out, sign in again. Now go to your profile. It's showing 9 credits only. Click on subscription. Now you'll see 750 credits have been added to your account. So if you're facing any type of this error, what you can do is click on sign out and click on sign in again. Thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any issues, you can mention your issues in the comment section. We'll try to help.